Hi, I'm Dai, the executive chef here at the Co-op, and today I'll be making a super easy, really tasty vegan lasagna. It's a much easier dish than it looks, and it looks really impressive. Bring a pan of water to the boil. Cook your lasagna sheets for 5 minutes in batches to stop them sticking together. Once cooked, remove and brush with oil. Heat some olive oil in a pan. Gently fry off your onions, leeks, grated courgette and mushrooms. Stir in the spinach until wilted and set aside to cool. Put all the ingredients together for the sauce in the pan, keeping aside the spinach and cheese alternative. Cook until thick and bubbling, whisking continuously. Once thickened, stir through your cheese alternative until it's melted, and now add your spinach. Remove from the heat and blend with a stick blender. Stir through a third of this sauce onto the veg until well coated. Next, preheat your oven. Grease your baking dish with olive oil and spread around a third of the sauce across the bottom. To assemble, lay a sheet of pasta down on your board. Place on the courgette and add 1 heaped tablespoon of veg mix, and then roll. Stand the rolls up against the side of the baking dish and repeat until the dish is full. Spoon the remaining sauce over the lasagna sheets and bake for around 30 to 45 minutes until golden and crispy. Serve, garnished with some fresh basil leaves. I can't keep still. I'm like this. I can feel it.